Welcome to the demo of Team A MO7 CDE, Coventry University. Demo of a remote controlled locking mechanism. This can be done either with a remote PC, as the demo will show, or a Bluetooth device, for example smartphone or tablet. When the first prompt comes up, this is the welcome screen asking for unlock, lock or change password. When the unlock key is pressed, the U key, the password is needing to be entered. And now the mechanism is unlocked. To lock it, press the L key and a password again, and the system is now locked. A buzzer and LED will sound and light to show the user that there's a confirmation of the selection. You can also change the password by pressing the P key. The original password will need to be entered, and then a new password can be entered. And a green LED lights